Alright, what's going on with my wires? Somebody's doing the bouncy with the wires. I don't know what's going on. Man, please don't rip down my fiber optic cable. What happened here? Somebody hit a power line? I'm not sure. We're definitely doing the wobble wobble. Alright, at least nobody hit the power line. You just got a kuya on a ladder out of the blue doing some work here. Man, be easy on my line, dog. Come on. Easy on the line, brother. Okay, success. So they're going over the top of my line. If they pull it tight enough, there won't be any tension. If they don't pull it tight enough, it's putting pressure on my line. Watching it quick. Alright, ladies, let's get to work. Teamwork, ladies. Teamwork. 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 Good job, ladies. Good job. What's on the menu?
What menu? Hmm? We don't know how to use that, eh?
Why didn't you use a can opener?
I don't know how to use it.
You could have asked me. I told you how to use
Wow! Wow! Mas magaling ang kano. Lah. Sabag mo yan. Yan ang pwede. Alexander! Asa man yung cellphone? Pareho si Jan pakuha tubig. Wala tayo tubig. Haba na ito. Dirty inside. Nakuha yung luto. Galon yung luto. Ito ang takes.